Alright, today we're looking at balance and center mass, and what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate that through balancing a flask on its edge. So we're going to balance it on the table. Okay, we take an ordinary flask and set it on its edge and carefully try to balance it. And it doesn't seem to want to work, which it wouldn't because the edge is rounded. But we've been bringing a little trick. We're going to try it again. This time we're going to put a little amount of salt on the table first. Kind of smash that around a little. Okay, a little pile of salt, and set the flask on it. You want to watch if the water's shaking, it doesn't want to sit. But once it sits, you can blow away the salt with a straw, and it looks like it's sitting there by itself. Alright, let's get rid of our salt. Now when the students come in, it looks like the beaker is sitting just on the tabletop. When you look through the top, you can see, say about 6 grains of salt are left stuck under the edge of the flask, and that's all that's supporting it. Now remember, for object of balance, the center of mass needs to be over the foot. And if you look at the water and the shape that it's in, and you look where the edge of the flask is, the middle of the water is about over the edge of that flask, which it has to be. The center mass of the beaker plus the water must be over where the foot is touching the table. And it's a very thin area because only a few grains of salt are holding it, and they act to keep it from rocking. So they act like little wedges under the sides to keep it from rocking, which gives you a wider balanced foot and keep the bottle stable, the flask stable.